good morning, and happy Thanksgiving. Today is a different day here in Gatlinburg because it is the 8-year anniversary of the 2016 wildfires. And I thought, hey, I was here earlier with a buddy of mine. We were filming, and I thought, hey, let me make a little video here and remind everybody of those people that we lost that awful day, and walk around for a little bit. It certainly is a beautiful day. It rained a little bit earlier, but it is very nice right now. For those of you wondering where we are at Minot Park. Park Vista is straight ahead. The Mother Nature Trail is straight ahead. And right here is the Memorial and Tribute Plaza. I can't believe it's been 8 years. These are all the different fire departments that helped with the fires. Very nice. On the evening of November 28, 2016. I can't believe it's been 8 years. You want to freeze the video, pause the video to read this. But they've done a great job with this. Beautiful. And as I said earlier, I was with a buddy of mine. He is on TikTok. His channel is Gatlinburg Live. He owns the Quality Children's Store, and we were filming. And as we're walking away saying goodbye, they one of the workers here left all these roses for those in memory of those who lost their lives that day. So I thought that was very sweet. So these roses have brand new. They were here, they've been here for maybe an hour. So that was very nice. Very nice right there. Again, we're at Minot Park. They've done a great job. Got a baseball field, basketball court, a nice little walkway here. It's a nice Thursday morning, Thanksgiving morning. Quiet. So that is it, guys. I was here 8 years ago. I was here for the fires, my mother and I. I'm not gonna go into detail, but it was a bad day. So let me know in the comments, do you remember the fires? Gosh. Wow. So that's it, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on here, please give me a follow. I'm also on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Have a wonderful day, guys. Be safe. And once again, happy Thanksgiving. Bye, guys.